guys look at this photo, you probably see Tommy Lee, Men in Black, Will Smith getting jiggy with it. However, I was a record executive at that time. I worked at Sony in 1997, and I signed Will Smith and the Men in Black soundtrack. And Will Smith had actually gotten dropped from his prior record company. They discarded him because culture was moving in this way of Wu-Tang and Biggie Smalls and these such more hardcore rap, and the kind of rap that Will Smith was doing had sort of been discarded and treated as something of the past, and they let him go. I had known Will Smith for many years, and I signed him. And I signed him on the strength of Men in Black. Well, we sold 10 million copies of Men in Black, and that was back when you were buying CDs for $16.99, so we did really well. But what was astounding to me, and which changed my career, was not that we sold 10 million copies, was that those glasses sold 14 million. The glasses sold more than the album, and the glasses paid nothing to be a part of the campaign.